I almost let my backyard go completely unused because it wasn't quote unquote perfect until I realized I was wasting a blessing I was already paying for. And what I did next cost way less than you think. If you're a single parent on a budget like myself, or feeling like your space just isn't enough, this video is for you. Stick with me because this Friendsgiving setup might change how you see what you already have. I'm your girl Kim, your resident D.I.tryer, and if you love content that's all about DIY and genuine lifestyling, then go ahead and hit subscribe now so you don't forget later. Our first year of Friendsgiving wasn't just about hosting, it was about stewardship. Especially as a single parent, this definitely hits different. It's not about impressing people, it's about creating warmth, connection, and community without breaking the bank. I wanted a space where laughter could live, people could linger, and my daughter could see that joy doesn't require perfection. Drop a comment if you've ever felt like your home wasn't ready to host, but you wanted to anyway. I started with planters from my local supply store. Nothing fancy. I'll have these exact planters and similar budget-friendly options linked in the description for you. Inside each planter, I placed a 4x4 pressure-treated lumber post, then added concrete. Now listen, this is where honesty comes in. I used 1 bag of concrete per planter, and it really should have been 2. You'll see why later. I used the kind of concrete where you just add water and let it set. Now, hear me out. When the directions say allowed to sit, my version of that was a few days because, honey, life be lifing and adulting gets to adulting. So do with that information what you will. Also, if you can get a second set of hands, please do. Your back will thank you. I want you to see that this is truly just add water to the concrete, no mixing, no stirring, no pouring, none of that. It's nothing hard. For lighting, I went with LED string lights instead of hardwired options. I love a good DIY, but being an electrician, no, that is not in my D.I.trY arsenal.
Day 1 of defeat. I just dropped the hook in the grass. I don't know where it's at. The mosquito's biting. So, I'm gonna do this later.
Using my drill and a drill bit, I drilled pilot holes so that I could install hooks in order to hang these lights, which were affordable and easy to install and completely changed the vibe of the backyard. It was at this moment when I realized I should have used 2 bags of concrete.
So the vision is to have the lights strung up, right? The problem I'm running into is how low the lights are hanging, which means that I need to push that out more. The poles, the stations, I need to push it out more. Every time I push it out more, they fall, which tells me it's not heavy enough. So I'm probably going to need to put some more cement in so that it can be stronger, sturdier. And then in the middle, I'll have the table for the kids to have like an elegant Friendsgiving by candlelight. Well, by light, because we ain't gonna have no candles. But that's what the vision is, and that's what I'm testing out right now, just to kind of see. So I'm gonna string these lights up, and then what I figure I can do is at the top up there, you look closer, I want to figure out a way to, something I can put up there in order for the light, the string to be pulled a little bit more taut. Cause see how low it's hanging? So yeah, that's what I'm working on. That's the vision. Now hopefully it comes together. I only have 7 days. I think I can do it.
Now let me show you what came in handy for securing the lights to the post. These little hooks. I'll link them below. Once the lights were up, something shifted. This space didn't suddenly become luxury, but it became intentional. And that's the reminder. Sometimes it's not about having more. It's about caring for what's already yours. If this is encouraging you so far, tap the like button. It really helps this reach other parents who need it. It's the day of the event, and now that all the lights are up, it's time to get the seating area going and the tablescape set. While I get things set up, let me say, if you're a single parent watching this, especially on a budget, I want you to hear me clearly. You are not behind, and your home does not need to be perfect to be purposeful. Friendsgiving doesn't require matching chairs or expensive furniture. It requires heart and a little creativity. For example, I repurposed my rugs from decor I already had in a house flip I worked on earlier. If you've been following the Genuine Lifestyling series, you probably recognize it. For the setup itself, I kept it simple and used 2 storage bins, a folding table, and instead of chairs, I ordered a bunch of pillows so everyone could get comfortable. Now don't get me wrong, I still want the backyard I've dreamed of for years, and when the budget says the time is right, we'll get there. But until then, I refuse to overlook what I've already been blessed with. This is me choosing to enjoy all of my mortgage and all of this season. This is just the beginning. If this video encouraged you to steward what you already have, I'd love for you to be a part of this Relaunch in Color community. Subscribe for more genuine lifestyling, faith-led finances, and realistic DIY moments. Everything I used is linked below to make it easy for you. What's one space in your home you're ready to enjoy differently? Let me know. I read every comment.
One thing you're grateful for.
Money.
You're grateful for money, okay.
Next.
One thing you're grateful for. Oh, okay. Ella. One thing you're grateful for. Oh, she said her friends too? Oh, okay, my bad. Oh, my bad. I thought that was you. What you said, Lily? Oh, you said music. I missed you. Okay. My bad. Come on, Nyla. One thing you grateful for. Okay. Her dog. Deanna.
I'm grateful for my mom.
Oh. Finally. Kennedy, one thing you're grateful for.
My parents.
She just saying that because her mama out here.
I can't love my parents now?
I guess, whatever. TJ, one thing you're grateful for. Food. That man likes that food. Okay. And Kinsley.
I am grateful for my friends and family.
Yay. And cheers. Let's all toast it up together. She said friends. She kicked it off. Look. Okay, come on, y'all. Cheers. Get in there. Cheers. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Happy Friendsgiving.